Alright, so you're going to want a pair of needle nose pliers, star screwdriver, flathead, and an Allen key that fits the hole. I don't know what size it is. So basically you just want to undo this front screw. Undo this screw. Oh shit. Actually, I want to take the mag out first. The spare mag I have for it sticks a little bit because I'm guessing it's not made very well, but the guy at the airsoft shop said it is, so I don't know. But so yeah, you just take out both screws. And the upper and lower receiver splits. This is how I'm going to ship it to you, because it'll save you so much money in the box, because you'll see it'll only be this long instead of standard rifle length. So now you just want to undo this screw. There's a screw right there you want to undo. And that comes off. And then there's a little push pin thing right there. It actually comes out the bottom and it has a little lip on it. Just take a flathead screwdriver. Sorry about that to stop. But anyway, just take a flathead screwdriver and you can beat this little nub. It has to come out, so this can come out. So you want to take that out once that. It's a pain in the ass. Anyway, see it pulls out. And there's two more screws when they're they gotta come out. You can pull the bolt assembly out now, but you need to take this off to get it back in, so I'll just take it off whenever I take it all apart the first time. Probably want to keep track of the washers that are on these screws, so you don't lose them. So now that's gone. You can just pull it right out. And you can see there, that's where it goes to grab the piston, but the piston's worn down so it don't grab. You can see there. You can rotate the piston 90 degrees, people say. It'll stop the slam firing. But, personally... One sec. Alright, so yeah. Now you get your piston out, and this is whenever the bent needle nose pliers come in handy. So basically, you want to put each point one of these, and this unscrews just like a normal screw. Once you get it started, you can just undo it by hand. And you gotta watch out because there's tension on this, so as soon as it shoots out a little bit. So there's the spring that you'll get in the upgrade kit, the piston you'll get in the upgrade kit, and the guide rod. You'll get all three of these in the upgrade kit, so you don't have to worry. You'll just replace them all. Now, if there's no O-ring on the upgrade kit one, put the O-ring on it, but there probably will be. So yeah, just pretend this is the upgrade kit now. You put your guide rod in. Actually, one sec. You want to slip the spring over the guide rod. Put it in. And then take your piston and the hole in it, put it over the spring, push down. You have to kind of play with the O-ring here so it goes in the hole. Just once it gets in, and then you just put it back together the way you took it apart. So that's the basics of this sniper. Now the mag with the tape on the bottom, as I said earlier, it sticks a little bit, but the guy at the airsoft shop said it was for a well vsr-10, so I bought it. But the other one doesn't stick. This one sticks. I just use a secondary mag to hold 28 rounds each. So if you're sniping, you don't really use 28 rounds. Well, you might use 28 rounds, but you're not gonna use over 56. So 2 mags, you should use a secondary to get a little pry and it comes out.